Members of the Bharatiya Kisan Union blocked National Highway number 44 near Kurukshetra in Haryana despite the presence of a heavy police force. Deployed to foil the proposed protest rally by farmers and commission agents at Pipli Grain Market in the district. The police used mild force to disperse the farmers, who were trying to reach the venue of the rally, challenging the prohibitory orders. Led by Bharatiya Kisan Union State President Gurnam Singh Chaduni, thousands of farmers, commission agents, and mandi laborers were planning a protest rally at Pipli. The district administration, in response, deployed over 1,000 cops to stop the organization of the rally and also diverted traffic on all the roads leading to Pipli. The agitated farmers, prevented from entering Kurukshetra district, blocked traffic on NH44 going towards Ambala on the outskirts of Kurukshetra and shouted slogans against the use of police force. The government wants to suppress our movement by citing coronavirus as an excuse, but we will continue our fight against the anti-farmer decisions, said BKU President Gurnam Singh Chaduni while addressing the gathering that had blocked the national highway. He said the government was forcing the farmers to hold protests by bringing ordinances in the name of bringing agriculture reforms. The farmers are against the three ordinances passed by the Union Cabinet, namely the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Ordinance 2020, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Ordinance 2020, and the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Ordinance 2020 in June this year. While the government has said that the ordinances will create an environment where farmers and traders have a free choice of sales and purchase, farmers allege that with these ordinances, the government was planning to discontinue the MSP regime. Kurukshetra Deputy Commissioner Sharandeep Kaur Barar said steps were being taken to remove the blockage from NH44.
वैसे मरने लग रहे हैं, आत्महत्या करने लग रहे हैं किसान, तो इस करके हमें चेतावनी दे रहे हैं सरकार को कि या तो बाज आ जाए सरकार से, किसानों की आवाज दबाने से बाज आ जाए। नहीं, जो नेता लोग हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, इनको हम गांवों में बिल्कुल नहीं घुसने देंगे। जब इनसे जवाब तलबी करेंगे लोगों को, जब वोट मांगने आएंगे।
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.